Hello, my name is Evan Lyle, Sales Engineer with Cavallo. In this video, you'll see how you can use Thomson Reuters OneSource in tandem with SalesPad and GP to eliminate any manual handling of tax information within GP. On the customer card, we can assign tax schedules to the customer specific to Thomson Reuters, and those will then make calls to Thomson Reuters OneSource to update the tax on a sales document. If I go ahead and generate a new order for this customer, the tax information will pull through with the corresponding customer information. In this case, this is the IDT, Thomson Reuters Exempt Override tax schedule, and I can go ahead and add a new line item to this sales document. If I add this item, I can see that tax schedule corresponds to the sales line item as well. And then when I go ahead and save the document, that will make a call out to Thomson Reuters OneSource to pull in and calculate the corresponding tax based on the address code of the customer. I can see the tax has been updated at the totals level, and we also have this OneSource sales tax lines field where we can see the item, the total tax amount, and the tax rate and effective tax rate corresponding to those line items on the sales document. If you have any more questions about Thomson Reuters OneSource integration with SalesPad, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.